Hi everyone! Today let's see how you can create a brand logo in the simplest way possible with AI. You don't need to be a professional designer or spend a fortune to obtain a stunning logo. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your brand logo using AI. So, without wasting time, let's get started. To create our logo, we will use an AI tool called Bing Image Creator. Simply click the link below this video, and you will be directed to the respective page. Click Join and Create. It will prompt you to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one and sign in. Creating your logo is as easy as entering your prompt here. This tool will generate logo designs for you. Let's see how it works. I will enter a logo design for a travel company called ZG Travel and Tours. Now, when you click Create, you'll see that within seconds, it provides 4 different logo options. These logos may appear somewhat generic. If you're not completely satisfied with these logos and they don't match your brand's style, you can get more unique and personalized results by providing a more specific prompt with creative inputs. Just click the link below this video, which will take you to gravitywrite.com. This website will help us generate logo ideas. Click Start Writing for free, fill in the required details, and create an account. Go to Images and click on Logo Design Ideas. Here, type your brand's name, provide a few details about your business, and click Create Content. GravityWrite will generate a variety of logo ideas, which are usually pretty good. You can try these ideas and see how your logo turns out. Just copy one of the ideas, go back to Bing, paste it, and click Create. These logo concepts look great. Let's set aside the text issue for now and focus on the logo image, which has turned out really well. Be sure to try out these ideas to give you more options to choose from. Now, I'm going to select one of these for my logo. Once you've chosen an image, let's fix the text. To do that, first, download the logo. We'll use an online tool called Canva to edit our logo. Head over to canva.com and sign up for free. I'll use my Google account, so let me select that and choose my account. Once signed in, click on Create a Design, then select Logo. You can upload your logo and start customizing it. Go to Uploads, click Upload Files, select your logo, and click on the logo, and it will appear in the canvas. First, make your logo cover the entire canvas by right-clicking and selecting Send Image as Background. To add your brand name, go to Text. Select a text style that suits your logo, double-click on it, and type your brand's name. You can also add a slogan. To change the text color, click on the text, go to the color options, and select the desired color. Likewise, change the color of the other text. Your logo is now ready and looks great. To download it, click Share, then Download. Select PNG and click Download again. Your logo will be downloaded to your computer. However, if you want higher quality, you can convert it into SVG format using Vectorizer.ai. This tool can convert your PNG logo into a high-quality SVG format for editing in software like Photoshop or Illustrator. Just drop your logo, and it will generate an SVG version. Click the download button and you're all set. That's it. You've created an incredible logo using AI, and it's absolutely free. If you're interested in more amazing AI tools like this one, check out a video on how to create social media posts with AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.